Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted Snapchat memories. If your Snapchat memories have been permanently deleted, what you can do is firstly you need to open the Snapchat, and next is you need to simply select this memories icon, simply below the camera button, and from here you can check both the snaps and camera roll tabs to make sure the memories were not accidentally moved or saved elsewhere. Or next is you can also check your device's photos or gallery app if you previously enabled the option to save your snap to your camera roll. And over here you can also check your device's photo or gallery app if you have previously enabled the option to save your snap to your camera roll. You may still have a copy stored on your phone. Or you can also go to this deleted photos album in your photo or gallery app depending on your device. Deleted photos may remain there up to 30 days before being permanently deleted. And that is it. That is how you can try to recover permanently deleted Snapchat memories. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.